Welcome back. I'm Annette, the Fabric Magician, and we are comparing, we're not really comparing, but we are evaluating the two different boxes today, the B box from Soft Squares and the Missouri Star box. Both are 25 days long. So, and we're on day 12. It's day 12 today. Can you believe it? We're almost the halfway mark. Unbelievable. We started yesterday with Missouri Star. So today we're going to start with Soft Squares. Soft Squares box. We've seen a value of all our gifts so far of $246 worth of value. We subtract that from what we paid for them, and that leaves $79. And we're just at the halfway mark. So, wow, what a value in this box, right? Amazing, just amazing. So let's look at the gift for today. It's light. It's very pretty. By the way, Lynn, I love the wrappings. They're also different and feels like Christmas when you open the box. So that's great. I love it. Thank you for the thought you've put into that. It's light and a little squishy. I was fooled by yesterday's, but it was a pleasant surprise. So let's rip this open and find out. Ooh. Ooh, that feels like a pattern to me. It looks like a pattern to me. It's here. It's my So Quilty Life pattern with the beautiful hearts on it. They're just gorgeous. I love this fabric line. Is called Sunbonnet. It is a real treat to see all the soft colors and florals. The designer has made this fun mini pattern just for use with this fabric. Panels and yardage are available for larger projects at Soft Squares. Well, thank you for that information, Lynn, because I just may be in the mood to do that. Because I like the look of what I'm seeing through this. And let me pull it out. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Here's that up close. It is. It's beautiful. It's soft. It's wonderful. Let me see if I can pull this down a little bit. Oh, I don't know. Just pulling those with it. There we go. Here we go. I can't hold it very well with that one hand, so yeah, the fabric dust. Do you see it's snowing. It's snowing fabric dust. I love it. But this is beautiful. I am so in love with this. I think I want bigger squares. Ooh, I want a panel. I might have to go, yes, what did I think? Shopping. Oh, at Soft Squares. What a shame. This is great. This is great. Loving it. Oh, what a beautiful looking pattern. Love Me Mini. Show that again. See if I can get up there and get better color out of it. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, it's so soft and beautiful. I love it. Oh, what another great deal from Soft Squares today. Oh, when I did the Soft Squares evaluation, I forgot to tell you, the toolkit. I valued it when I looked it online. I gave it a value of about $20. That's where we got our new valuation for today. So that leaves, $79 left to get our original valuation back. And then everything else will be bonus after that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Almost makes me giggle. Let's go right on to Missouri Star. Missouri Star, the little Minky Kim labels they run about $8 or $9 for 8 or 9 of them. So I gave it a valuation of $8, which brings us in the positive. We've got our value returned to us, and now we're in a positive 5. So we're already there, but the rest is yet to come. Let's see what they've got in their bag. Oh, I should have shown you before it opens so easily. Cute little bag. Take it and pull. it's not what I thought it was at all. It's a sewing tool organizer bag. I can't open that. There we go. Yeah, that works. Right. With their Missouri Star stars on it. It's a double zipper bag. Triple zipper bag. Can you believe that? Triple zipper. Opens. There's the middle section. I found that one right away. It had the little star gizmo. My left hand's not zipping that at all very well. I'm sorry. There we go. My right hand did just fine. Ooh, this got a little holder here for your scissors. Even gives you an example. Like I said, the middle star had their logo on it. The other zipper just has a regular pull on it. Yes, I know better and not to use my left hand. It's not going to do it very well. But the right hand goes zippity. And it also has, this has a mesh bag, and it shows you can put your rotaries over here. And other stuff in it. What a nice look. And it's got a handle. It's got a handle. How cute is that? This is great. Traveling anywhere, by car, by plane, by train. Going to a retreat maybe. Just taking vacation. How handy dandy. This comes right out. You could even put a small project in here. And if you're like an embroiderer or cross stitcher, very easily put your stuff in handy dandy little bag. It fits in a large purse or bag. Nice. Very cool. Well, we're going to call that a wrap today. Like I said, if you're feeling some FOMO, I don't think you can get it back from Missouri Star. I think they're gone with all their boxes, but check with Lynn. She might have an A or B box. And we're going to add the A box come Sunday on the 14th. We're going to look to see how different that is from the B box. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and find some joy. Bye-bye. Happy holidays, everybody.